the Sprunky had brought something with them. The ultimate weapon.
Let's hope for playtime!
The power to turn any living thing or toy into a Sprunky.
There we go. Not so big and tough now, are we? You're coming with me now.
The army continued to ransack every part of the factory and transform everyone they encountered.
Come out, wherever you are. Don't you know I can hear you? You toys must be dumber than you look. Uh-oh. Face it, Dino Brain. You never stood a chance.
Dino Brain.
Not so tough now, are we?
Even the strongest of us proved to be no match for them.
Stand still and let me kill you! Leave the smiling critters alone! Ha! You'll never be able to stop me! What the? It's no use, Catnap. You're outclassed. Sprunkies are the superior beings. Admit it. Never! Once you become one, you'll understand. No, this can't happen! I have to save everyone! I told you, it was no use fighting back. This looks like the perfect home base while we start our new regime. No, you can't!
Get out of here, or you'll have to go through me.
That won't be hard.
I'm not letting you hurt any of us.
Any last words before I sprunkify you?
Fine. Transform me if you want. Just don't hurt them.
Them? Oh.
They're no threat to you. They're hungry, frail. Do whatever you want with me. Just promise to let them go. Please.
I can't.
What?
I'm going to leave. I was never here, okay? Keep those critters safe. Remember, I was never here.
He let me live. I have to save the others and get revenge on their behalf.
Oh no! I didn't know all this was going to happen. This is getting out of hand. I have to talk some sense into them.
Stupid Sprunkies. I won't let them get away with this. Thankfully, that gray thing left this thing behind, so I can reverse engineer it into the De-Sprunkifier. It has the power to unsprunky my friends and turn them back to their normal selves, as well as kill any true Sprunky it comes in contact with. Oh, they are going to pay for what they've done.
Huh? This is crazy! Barnaby?
Enjoying the company of our new pets.
Black, this is
amazing, right?